All right, so I took those two pieces off from here. That's where these two things go here. That and that. And those four for those band, that U-band. So next thing, you can see that cable. I'm going to drill out the third rivet. You got rivet, rivet, and number 3 right here. Drill out that rivet. There you go. All right. Then that should be able to peel that back. Yep. There you go. That exposes that cable system. Yep. That's just a, yep, there's a rivet for that, or is that a screw? Oh, that's a rivet. What a weird angle that's on. How are you supposed to get at that? Oh, I see, when you close it. Okay. Well, let me do the other side. I mean, this way you can reference everything, you know, that you tear to pieces. Look, I've already taken out 2 rivets, so there's a third right there. As the top's trying to go down on me. Holy crap. That's what happens when you try to film, man. Oh, didn't hurt anything. Now this has to come off. This fiberglass thing. That's next. Let's take her off. Looks like Torx. And there's one long one in the middle front. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shorts, okay? So that's that fiberglass top part. Let's get that off. Alright. Is that Torx 20 also? No, it's not. Certainly ain't rivets. Why would you be doing that when you're going to have to... You need a Torx 20. Pause time.